Hi everyone. A lot of you have been asking me which app do I use to bring my photos to life. And I actually use several services, but today I'm going to share with you one app that I only recently started using that I find is very beginner friendly. The only caveat is that it's not free. You can start off free with a few video generations, but after that you are capped and then you have to upgrade to a paid version. But I find that this app is the easiest one to use. The only downside is that you cannot delete your videos. That I haven't been able to find a delete. You could delete like other conversations and history in the app, but you cannot delete your video generations. So if that's not for you, then don't download this app. So the app is called Grok, and it's part of X, formerly known as Twitter. It's their AI tool, generative tool that you could use to give commands like how I've been teaching you how to use Gemini. I do not really use it for the photo generation tool. I feel like it's not as good as Gemini right now. It's okay, but for video, it's really easy. You don't even really have to give it any commands. The AI automatically does it for you. You could also do custom commands that you can give your video image to video prompt that will do very short video clips for you. But other than that, that's pretty much all I use it for, is just videos lately. It's been super easy. It's been fast. I did originally start off with the free version, which then I really liked it. So I subscribed to the $30 a month video tier that I get a lot more video generations that I've been using in my apps. Some of the recent ones you've seen so far. I'm going to show you how to use Grok to take your photos to video and bring them to life. If you want to follow along, continue watching. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave me any comments below. And let's have some fun. Launch the App Store and do a search for Grok. It's spelled Grok. It's this one right here. I already have it downloaded, so I'm just going to open it. Tap that video in the middle where it says Create Video and pick an image. I'm just going to tap the first picture. It automatically starts generating the video. The AI is doing everything. It is super smart. Right now, I'm just going to fast forward this to the good part. Here is what it produced. I'm not a fan of the music, but that's okay. We can mute that later. You can type your own command. I'm just making her walk towards the camera. Fast forwarding so you don't have to wait. I think it did a really good job. If you like it, just tap that download button right next to that red heart. On the lower left-hand corner, you see like a little picture frame. Tap on that to view your gallery of all your generated videos. You can quickly preview all of them. Let's take a peek at some of the ones I've created. The sky is the limit, my friend. You're gonna spend so much time in this app. I love it so much. It's been so fun and it's been pretty fast on the mobile device. But again, I am on a paid subscription, so my generations go much faster. If you're on the free tier, it's a little bit slower, but still well worth it. Some of the other video apps take up to 5 minutes or longer to get video, so this is pretty impressive and pretty good. Test it out and see if it's for you. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share my videos. I appreciate you so much. Till next time.